This is an update video. Hurricane Sandy is coming up the coast. It's October 26th, and since July when I put this antenna up, it's been nice and solid and strong. We've had some storms come through, but nothing as big as what they're predicting. So we'll see what's there after this thing comes through. October 27th. Sandy is getting stronger, moving up the coast, and that Midwest storm is building strength also. Antennas are still okay. Winds are picking up, about 5 to 10, getting kind of cloudy. A little bit of spritz here and there. Went to a FEMA meeting this morning in our neighborhood, and the lake is being dropped down. The dam has been opened up a little bit. October 28th, 2012. The lake's been dropped down about 2 feet. Those poles are sticking out pretty high. Hurricane Sandy is on her way, and then the cold front, the cold storm from the Midwest. Winds are starting to pick up. It's supposed to be about 40-45 miles an hour by this evening, and then getting up into the 60-70 range by tomorrow with a lot of rain. We'll see what those antennas do when that happens. And it's about 10 a.m. on August 28th. Winds are starting to pick up a little bit. A little bit of spritz, a little bit of rain here and there. Maybe 10 to 15 mile an hour gusts. You got 40 mile an hour winds, between 40 and 50, and that pole is still there. Really amazed. Powerful winds, supposed to get up to about 70, 80 miles an hour tonight. Hurricane Sandy came through last night, 60, 70 mile an hour winds, maybe some gusts higher than that. The lines on the boat broke off and moved around a little bit. A lot of driving rain, but that antenna is still up there just as strong as it was before. Still perfectly straight. I can hear chainsaws in the background. And we're in good shape. Really impressed, surprised too. Thanks for watching.